What do you do when you're out of your disinfectant? You just make more. That's what I love about Force of Nature. I get these little packets. I fill up the little beaker with water. I press the button, and within a few minutes, it does its little magic. I sped up the video so you could see it. It mixes, it electrolyzes water, salt, and vinegar, and it makes it a disinfectant. An EPA registered disinfectant that's certified to use in hospitals and home health care. And it kills viruses like COVID, the flu virus, the Staph virus, MRSA, you name it. This thing kills germs and viruses. It leaves behind a light bleach scent, but you don't get the toxic fumes of scent. Use my link down below for a discount. Force of Nature, EPA, the only EPA registered, certified, all-natural disinfectant. That's how you stay crunchified clean with Force of Nature.